What if we took everything you know about running your building and everything Trane knows about system optimization and a bigger universe of information, all brought together using artificial intelligence? That's Trane Autonomous Control. It's about using the equipment you already have in your building better. It's the next level of system control, autonomous control. How does it work? By analyzing live data from multiple sources every 5 minutes and using that information to predict occupancy, zone temperature, and energy loads in advance with unprecedented accuracy. Keeping occupants more consistently comfortable throughout the day while spending less on energy and reducing carbon impact. It can even help extend the life of your equipment. When it comes to achieving your business objectives, autonomous control delivers results that are validated and documented. Making it all happen is surprisingly simple. In fact, if your building has Tracer SC+, you are ready right now. AI means the next generation of building performance can be yours with Trane Autonomous Control.